Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Bhavya's Bouquet. So in today's video I'll show you how to use these border buddies. So let's get started. So first I'll show you how to use the triangle. So you can decide which shape, the size of the shape that you want. So I'll go for this size. So first of all, when you start at one point, you need to put a bit of glue over there. And then now you turn the strip and put some more, you press it so it gets stuck properly. Make sure it's stuck properly, because if it isn't stuck properly then you can't make the shape, it'll come off. So now once you're done with this, you can go on turning the handle. And then again at the end you put some more glue. So once that's done, you settle this and then you gently pull it out. So this is a triangle shape. Now I'll show you the rectangle. So this you could use as a handle if you want, or you could do it without the handle. I showed you how to do it without the handle just now. So now I'll show you with the handle. So I'll take this size for this. You put a little bit of glue at the beginning. So now one more way is you hold the strip like this and you go on turning the handle this way. But if you're doing this, then make sure you settle this. So this is easier to do if you're doing it with a smaller size. And then you glue it. And then after that you put it out slowly. So this is the square. Now I'll show you the circle. Now one more thing that you can do is you can go on turning the strip instead of turning the handle. and then you glue the end. And you put it out gently. So you could make some other shape if you want with the circle, like I've made this heart. And if you want, you can also use the handle as a circle. So if you don't have these tools, then you could use the back of a bottle or some pen, pencil, etc. for making the circle. And once you've made the circle, you could make various shapes like these. So these I've done after making a circle freehand. So I'll show you how to make such shapes in later videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Please subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you for watching.